Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. We are home with the #1 premium pre-owned dealership in the country. Today we're going to talk about one of those pre-owned pieces. So this is a nice small little trailer if you're just looking to get out there, something easy to tow. This is a Springdale 179 QBE, okay, by Keystone. A nice little first time, second time, third time you own a trailer, doesn't really matter. Great trailer, small, easy to tow. So you have 2 propane tanks in the front, and you have 2 batteries right in the rear there, and they have covers over them. So very easy to mess with for maintenance purposes or anything like that. Refill the propane, it's very easy. Right up front here, we have a couple things I want to talk about. We have storage, a nice pass-through storage all the way through the front of the trailer. So if you're bringing, tents along because you don't want someone to, sleep in the trailer with you, whatever it is, very easy to put it out there. This does have little jacks, and they are on a little crank here, so you could use this. I just suggest buying a little nice low price drill at Harbor Freight or something along that. You just put it on there with the attachment, and they'll just drive down here and then really just shore this trailer up. On the outside here, we have a nice awning, power awning that will come out here, okay? And it will cover your door, your hangout area for tables and chairs. You have some outdoor speakers and also a nice, a little light there as well. This is a double axle trailer. When you walk over here, I love the windows in this because they slide, so you really do get some fresh air when you're in there. That's something that you might not find in every trailer, but I do like that feature. You have some plug-ins out here, okay? Now, we're just gonna walk around. I'm gonna keep talking here. So in the back, you have a nice spare tire. I love this floor plan because of the windows. You have a large window, so it really opens it up, makes it bright inside, so you don't feel like you're in a small trailer when it really is small. It's just nice. It's a nice feeling inside. In the back here, you have another storage bin here. So this is a nice little storage spot, okay? Fridge access, your shore power cord goes here. City water connection, fresh water connection, and we walk you through and show you how to use all that when you do pick it up. This has a tank flush on it and also an outdoor shower. So if you have the kids over there or the dog and you want to spray them off, this is a nice little thing. 6-gallon water heater right here for your shower. And this is your other access panel into the trailer. So let's walk around. Just stay with me here. We're going to walk into this trailer. It's a beautiful floor plan. This is the 179 QBE. Okay, stepping in, there's one little nice entry step, and then I'm just gonna pan you in here. This is your bedroom. Very simple. Right here, you have a nice window, storage along the top here. You have a nice hanging closet there, and then you have nice 3 drawers. Then I'm just gonna turn like this, open up the bathroom. This has the tub style shower, which is nice if you have kiddos with you, but it just gives you a little bit of base there. There's some storage inside in the cabinets there behind, and then your toilet. Okay, now this is your trailer. It's nice, it's open. You have an oven, 3-burner stove. You have a little microwave up top, some storage for all your goodies here. The sink, double sink, that window I was talking about that'll really open it up if you're cooking in here. Then you have a little extra counter space. Your radio's located right here. But I love this part of this just feels so open and spacious when you're in the back with those windows that do open up, and you have a nice little dinette. Your refrigerator and freezer, separate fridge and freezer, plenty of big for this size trailer. Your air conditioner up top. Another hanging closet here and a drawer below it. So this is a 2016 Springdale, and if you have any questions about this unit, please call and ask for Chris Red. But we have other trailers as well, so if this is not the right floor plan, you're kind of looking for something, our inventory changes often, so please call Chris Red at Johnson RV, and thanks again for taking the time to watch my video.